Kansas City! Woo! Alright, so yes, I'm still alive, especially for those who are watching this on YouTube. I'm still here, I'm still working. Sometimes I get text messages, hey, are you still doing the thing? Because I haven't seen you make any videos, and I have like a long list of things I want to tell you. I've gone through so much. And I felt hesitant to share with you personal stuff. I don't know. This is me. So that's what I've been doing for the last 3 months. Okay, or 4 months, or however long it's been, all summer, as I haven't really communicated. But I'm in Kansas City next month, and I would love to see you if you're in that area. I have, especially I'll have Thursday, some availability Thursday night and Friday, and I do have a place to host for sure Thursday night, but Friday I can come to you. Saturday morning is a possibility. So love to see as many as I can, and I'd love for Kansas City to be a destination that I could visit maybe once or twice a year. So if you're in that area, please look me up. Please message me. I guess you can find my phone number, or if you're on Facebook, then of course just send me a private message, or if you are on YouTube, scroll down the comments and find a way to communicate. Don't get lost, because emails, text messages, people, it can get a little overwhelming. But so right now I have people in Charlotte that I like to go see because I've traveled to Charlotte. People in DC, I have some fantastic clients in DC, and I love them so much. And then love for Kansas City to work. So again, if that's you, please contact me. I'd love to have a session with you, and we can discuss. Again, it can be a session that's a supportive session, which means I'm kind of walking you through the steps of what Platonic touch can look like. It can be an empowered session where you already kind of know what kind of touch you like, and you ask me for the kind of nurturing, affection, kind touch that would feel good to you. And it can also be a retouch session, which is where clients who really are touch adverse or feel like they want to touch but have some issues around it, I'd also be really happy to kind of guide you through the beginning steps of what that looks like to begin experiencing touch, giving, receiving, all of that. I potentially could extend my schedule to go into Sunday. I got Southwest, so I have some wiggle room if I need to change my dates. But anyway, we'd love to see you, Kansas City. Can't wait to be in you and to be meeting new people. Love ya.